Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, I'm so excited today to show you all what I've been working on. I've been working on my new website. I do have a few stuff on here, but guys, this is what we are working with. So let me just show you guys. So the name of the website is Caribbean Glitters by V.beauty. And guys, I'll be selling nail art glitters, press-on nails, eyelashes, and probably some nail art supplies I will be putting up here, guys. So this is what I have right now. I'm still adding on stuff on the website. So guys, they are so gorgeous. You all been asking me over and over, where do you buy your glitter? And I always tell you guys, it's some glitter mix I just threw together, and you all really love it. So this is all your chance now to pick up some. So yeah guys, if you all are interested, hit up Caribbean Glitters and check it out. And I will see you those in the next one. Bye guys.